Hi! If you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Julibe from the Philippines. Currently, I'm living and working in the Kingdom of Bahrain. I'm on a journey to explore the world one adventure at a time while trying figuring out this roller coaster ride called Life in My 30s. In today's episode of my life, we will be diving into something super delicious and uniquely Dutch. Volendam's world-famous cheese factory tour. Join me as we take a behind-the-scenes tour of how this world-famous cheese is made, from the freshest milk to the final delicious product. We'll learn about the history, the craftsmanship, and even taste a few samples along the way. So, grab a snack and let's dive into the creamy and cheesy bliss that Volendam is known for.
Shall I compare to a summer day? She's the sun, she fill out the gray. Quench my thirst, she's my lemonade. The yellow that I couldn't paint. Shall I compare to a summer day? Just like the sun, it will never fade. The cool breeze in the shade, my four leaves to the blade, right to my mistakes. I just know she'll be my downfall.
Good evening, everybody. How are we doing? Are we doing much better? Not yet, not yet.
Get started. Hello everyone. How are you doing?
Amazing!
Let's try all together at the same time. Hello everyone.
Hello!
How are you doing?
Good!
Enjoy your tour?
Yes!
Do you enjoy our summer weather?
Yes!
So, welcome here to the Cheese Factory in Volendam. My name is Anastasia. For today, I would like to explain to you how we make our traditional crowded cheese. Are you cheese lovers?
Yes!
No, before we eat the cheese, we have to make it. We will start with explanation. Liters of the fresh raw milk and put it over here in this special container where we heat it up to milk to 30 degrees, and this temperature is very important for this liquid, what called rennet. And rennet is the natural enzyme that helps to make our milk thicker, just like a pudding or gelatin. After over here called whey, and whey is very, very healthy. First of all, we can give it back to the animals because they really like to drink the whey. And second of all, we can use it for our beautiness and health because there is a lot because the taste is really disgusting. I like to get some rich. So let's go back to the process. Let's go back to the process. Only 10% from all our milk we will use to make the cheese. And these 10% you can see over here, these white tiny cubes will be our cheese. But for now, we use the curds. So we transfer curds to sour cheese. And for this, we will use salt, water, fat. Yellow cheese maybe for about 24 hours. Just like in spa, we call it cheese spa. After that, we dry our cheese, put it in the last room on the wooden shelf to make them age. And after 4 weeks, finally, we will get such a soft, creamy, delicious rounded cheese. And it is this one, but from the plant base. This would make the cheese vegetarian. And in those cheeses, we can add a lot of different flavors. The spice, you can see, they have different colors. We can add pesto, herbs and garlic, chili, truffle, and many, many more. The last thing I have for you, do you have any idea what is this or looks like? Sausage. Some of the people say it looks like chorizo, salami. Some of the people say it looks like sausage, but it is smoked cheese, and there is no meat inside at all because we smoke the cheese just the way you smoke beef or meat, something similar.
Waiting around for you to call back, pacing around my room and my dad. Crazy, crazy, I want you to know what you have against me. The city is not the place for us to be. Cause I'm trying to figure out why you hate me. Was it something I did? Yeah, I don't need to offend. I'm just waiting, I'm just waiting. Because of all of the lies, yeah, you don't need to disguise your face, your face. I just want you to know that I am rooting for you. It's okay, it's okay. Inside my heart, the clock is ticking, the time is up. The way I feel it, I think it's done. Waiting around for you to call back, pacing around my room and my dad. Crazy, crazy, I want you to know what you have against me. The city is not the place for us to be.
I wanna find out now, 'cause you got me running all over this town.
Hi Jollies! That's the end of our tour and thank you for joining me today. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe for more travel adventures. See you in the next vlog!